Alright, I'm working on this Mercedes 2000 S500. This one has a 5.0 engine, and I need to remove the transmission, the crankshaft sensor. On this one, the crankshaft sensor, you have to go on the passenger side. On the driver's side, there's right on top of the transmission, there's a metal plate, a black metal plate. I don't know if you can see it right here. Is that one. There's 2 bolts that you have to remove. I already loosened them out. I'm just gonna take it out. This bolt you can leave it there and just let the shield hang. And then on top you're gonna see a connector. Anyways, this is the crankshaft sensor. The sensor goes like down right on top of the transmission, and then this sensor the size that you need is gonna be a torque invert socket. This is the bolt, and this is a size 14. And then the bolt that is holding the crankshaft sensor is this one. It's another torque invert, and I use these 8mm torque inverts. So that's it for this video, guys. If you guys got any questions, remember this crankshaft sensor is on the driver's side, right on top of the transmission, so you have to remove a lot of the covers underneath of the car and just all that good stuff. Don't forget to subscribe and ask me and call me if you have any questions. Text me.